Bitcoin has broken all-time highs. Pepe is loading up and getting ready for an absolutely massive move to the upside once this liquidity rotates from Bitcoin to Ethereum to Pepe to the altcoins. Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm maxi, and I have another video for you guys. Today we're going to be talking about Pepe and where I think we're going to be headed here. So hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop into this video, guys. All right. So we are looking at the Pepe coin chart on the daily time frame. We are consolidating. Some may call it a little bit of a bull flag, or kind of, I don't know. I don't really like to use the terminology of different price structures. Sometimes I use it just to relate to people that can see those price structures, those price formations, if you will. But we do see some curvature here happening on the daily, and I do expect that as long as Bitcoin continues to play nice here and continues to break to the upside, that we are probably getting ready for a breakout to break the high a few days ago at about 402829. I think that we're getting ready to make a bigger move to the upside here, which we'll talk about later in this video. So let's pick this apart here. So Pepe is ranked 21, down about 7.72% in the past 7 days, up nearly 4% in the past 24 hours, but honestly probably in the past 8 hours or so, because Bitcoin has broken a new all-time high. And we're starting to see some big moves here, guys. We're starting to see Bitcoin say, okay, it's time to go higher. And you know what that means, guys. Bitcoin is the tide that raises all the boats. It will absorb the liquidity for a little while, and after it makes a new high, that liquidity will flow down and bring everything else up with it. So we are looking at a $10 billion market cap. Nice to see that. I think our all-time high was about $11.5 billion for the market cap of Pepe. Looking at a $1.72 billion 24-hour volume, I expect this to increase significantly over the next 24 hours, as long as Bitcoin stays above, let's say, $103,000, which we're going to look at, I do think is likely here in the shorter term time frames, but we'll take a look at it. So if we were to pick apart Pepe right now, we are seeing that we are starting to consolidate a little bit. We are looking like, honestly, we should be looking at the daily and nothing really below the daily, because, guys, when you're in a raging bull market and Bitcoin just starts to go higher and higher, you can get caught up in the shorter term time frames, guys. I'll be honest with you. That's where a lot of people lose money in bull markets, because they see Bitcoin drop down 10% in an hour and they start freaking out. And next thing you know, we're back at where we started the hour before that. Bitcoin bull markets are more difficult than bear markets, in my opinion, guys. Timing the top is extremely difficult, okay? Seeing the rotations and timing the rotations of the market, extremely difficult compared to a bear market where you just buy. It goes lower, you buy more. You need to know when to exit. That's why I like to take profit along the way, not financial advice. That's just my strategy, and you should find the best strategy that works out best for you guys. But I am seeing, money flow is coming down a little bit. We're starting to contract a little bit here. But, guys, I will be honest. I would not be surprised to see a little bit of this happen here and seeing new all-time highs. Pepe is on Robinhood. There's going to be lots of inflowing from the retail when things start to get exciting. When altcoin season really kicks off, which we are getting very, very close to. We have seen signal that we are in altcoin season, but the true 10x, 50x, 100x's are not happening yet. But it is going to happen. And you be patient. If you guys do also believe that altcoin season is right around the corner, then check out in the description box below or the pinned comment down below. We have a $5,000 sign-in bonus to Blowfin, as well as 10% off all trading fees for the lifetime of your account if you use our link in the description box or pinned comment down below. No other exchange is offering 10% off all trading fees. Take advantage of this. It's a limited time offer. It probably goes away at the end of the bull market, but guys, if you don't want to trade now, get grandfathered in. Sign up now so that if you want to trade in a year from now, you take advantage of that 10% off all trading fees. Over on Crypto Twitter, you can follow me at 333maxi. I say BTC.D could retest the bottom of the rising wedge around 59% Bitcoin dominance level, especially if Bitcoin breaks out, which is happening right now, guys. Eyes on Bitcoin dominance. And I show this chart. This was from the other day. We're getting a little bit of a bounce. 59% is it's retesting the bottom of the rising wedge. That's possible, guys. On Market Cypher, you see a green dot, buy signal, a momentum wave to the downside. It looks like we're starting to curve up. You could see us test that, and that's okay. But just know, if we do test that, the alts probably just stall out a little bit while Bitcoin makes that new all-time high, which is happening. It's already happened. We probably see continuation for that all-time high as well. A target of around above 105,000 to 109,000, I think, is appropriate. But guys, we'll look at that shortly. I really want you to pay attention to Bitcoin Dom. So if you're a Pepe bull, you need to be paying attention to this. So we're looking at Bitcoin dominance underneath a different structure. Before, I like to talk a lot about, if you are a watcher of the Crypto Report, you guys know that I have a rising wedge chart that we're finally breaking down over here. But a different way to look at this is the different price levels of Bitcoin dominance. And you can see we broke down into the first level of altcoin season at about 57%. But we wicked down, tested the blue line at about 54.5%. And now if you zoom in here, look at this. We are testing 57%, but I do want to see this reject off. I want to see it continue down. We can retest it, like I was saying, and that's exactly what's happening right now. I really want to see this retest and resume down and continue the breakdown. I'll be honest with you guys. If we see daily, weekly candle closures below this blue line at about 54.5%, guys, it is time for altcoin season. It is time for Pepe to make absolutely massive moves to the upside and for the altcoins to come along to the party, guys. So pay very close attention to Bitcoin dominance. If you are an altcoin bull, you need to be looking at this chart. A quick little overview of Bitcoin as well. We are breaking out to the upside right now of a ascending accumulation, an ascending consolidation, which I will be completely honest with you guys. I'm going to tell you guys something that you probably don't want to hear, but I don't want to, it's some sobering thoughts, but usually ascending consolidation is bearish. It's somewhat of a rising wedge and a topping formation, okay? But we are breaking out of that, and there's a good chance here that we see this next leg up play out, and that is extremely bullish. When you get a breakout to the upside of an ascending, a rising wedge or an ascending triangle, it's very bullish. It's very, very bullish. And I think that we're seeing that play out right now. And I do expect if we see this continuation, we see this breakout above, say, $107,000, $109,000, maybe even test $111K, then altcoins are going to go absolutely wild, especially if we consolidate between like $105,000 and $110K. I can't believe I'm saying those numbers out loud, but if we do see that happen, expect absolutely massive moves for Pepe. And guys, if you like this type of content, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. That's all I really got for you. Please follow me at 333blacksea on Instagram and Twitter. Check out that awesome referral link down below. Blowfin, you get that 10% off all trading fees and a $5,000 sign-on bonus. I'm very excited for altcoin season. It is getting ready to happen right now. And as we break down through those levels, it will get heated and more heated and more heated. The lower Bitcoin dominance breaks down. And Pepe is going to go to the moon, guys. That's all I got. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.